What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Young Texas and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic day today. In today's video I'm doing something kind of different. This is more like an informational how-to video because I've been asked by a multitude of people how I edit my TikToks. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys that. So let's take a look at it. So here we go. We have Sony Movie Studio Platinum, which is the editing software that I use. It's a slightly lesser version of Sony Vegas Pro. But you can't do the stuff that I'm showing you today with the normal Movie Studio, unfortunately. That's actually why I upgraded to Platinum. So let's just take a look at what we got to do here. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your clip. I pre-downloaded mine from Twitch, and you're going to want to drag and drop it into the video track here. And you're going to see this message where it says, do you want to set up your project? Do you want to set your project video settings to match this media? So you're going to want to hit no. Because this is, if you hit yes, you're not going to be able to edit the TikTok properly. So you're going to hit no, and then you're going to see this. So that's going to be your clip. You're going to have this clip here. I've already edited this clip for TikTok, but I'm going to show you guys again. So the next thing you want to do is take your project properties, which is up here. You want to click on that, and you want to take your template. So you're going to want to change it so you can change your template. You're going to want to flip the height and width. So you want it into where it says 1920, you want to change your height to 1080. And for your height, you want to change that to 1920. So it's 1080 by 1920. So instead of horizontal, it's actually vertical. And you're going to want to set your frame rate here to 59.94, which is 60 frames per second. And that's it. That's how you're going to want to set it. You can save it as a template. I have mine saved as TikTok, so it's really easy. So I have everything set up. You can actually just type it in as 60 frames per second as well. But you can see I have it set, and you're going to hit OK, and it's going to change it like this. You can already see where it's starting to become like a TikTok. So now the second thing you're going to want to do is right-click on your track, on your video, hit copy, paste it again so you have two of them. So now you have two of the exact same video tracks. So now on the first one, the first thing you want to do is hit pan and crop. And again, I have a template already that says TikTok, but I'm going to show you guys exactly how you do it. So the thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to change the height or the width here, my apologies, to 1920, or sorry, the width, sorry, is 1080, and your height is 1920. So you can already see that it's starting to shift how it looks. Here's your preview here, and what you're going to want to do is take the top and the bottom and drag it in so it kind of looks like that, and then you're going to go over here and hit maintain aspect ratio, no, under the source. So you can already see where it's starting to look like a TikTok. Now you're going to want to drag it until maybe like I have it as my gun is in the center, so maybe something like that, so it looks like a TikTok, so that when you hit X on this and it's already saved, it shows like that. Now, that's how you just get the TikTok. That's just how you get the gameplay to look like that, rather, for TikTok. Now, if you want a TikTok like this, right here, so you can see this is one of my TikToks, and see how I have the camera looking like that. Let's get back into Movie Studio, and I'll show you guys exactly how to do that as well. Here we are back in Movie Studio. So this is the exact same clip, but this is not changed at all. The formatting hasn't changed. So the first thing you want to do is split your audio and video. So for me, all I have to do is click on it and then press U on my keyboard. It unsplits it. It unconnects them rather. So now they are two separate, and you're going to want to delete the audio because you don't need two audio files. So you're going to go ahead and delete that. Then what you want to do is drag your video clip here into the picture in picture section. And then from there, you're going to go pan and crop again. But on this track, on this second track that's in picture in picture, you're going to want to go pan and crop. So what you're going to want to do now is take this and put it around your webcam, where your webcam is on your video clip, like so. So that's what it's going to look like. And you see over here, it's in picture in picture. That's perfect. Again, you can save it as a template. I have mine as TikTok camera. So that's exactly what it looks like. You're going to hit X, and that's, now you can see they're also in sync. But now you don't want it in the middle now, do you? No, of course not. So you're going to go over here. It's your Track FX. You're going to click on Track FX, and now you can drag it wherever you'd like. So I'm going to drag mine to the top, and I'm also going to resize it so it's bigger. And we're going to have it right there. That looks good to me. Again, you can change this later because when you put the circle around it, you're going to want to change it. So again, you can have it as a template, so it's always in the same place. I have mine as TikTok, of course, which is like that. It's the size and the positioning that I personally like for my TikToks. So you're going to hit X on this, And now you're going to go over to this video track, the one where you now have your face cam, the picture-in-picture video track. You're going to click on Event FX, and you're going to choose this one here, Vegas Bezier Masking. You're going to click on it, then you're going to click Add, OK. It's going to bring up this. Now again, I have a TikTok default, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You guys are going to want to pick circle because you want your camera to be circle. Now using this here, you can check your general options, so you can check your blend. You don't really want to do any of that though. But you can have this here and you can change your type to a circle, or you actually leave it as the oval. Sorry, my apologies. You actually don't need this. That very bad. Let's cut that. Okay, so let's pretend that we just got up Bezier masking and you've chosen the circle option. You can now use this box over here to resize your circle so it looks good. That's right around my face. And to move it so it actually is just your face. That's cool. You also can have a preset like I do for TikTok, which is like that. Perfect. You're going to click X. Now, if you don't like it where it is, where it's positioned, how the face cam is positioned, you can go back to your track FX and you can actually do this. You can move around. You can move your circle around wherever you like it. Again, I like mine up here. Again, I just have mine as my TikTok default. So that's it. That's literally it. And then you can trim it as much as you want. You can trim it where you want it. Like if you want to start it there, you can trim it there, trim both of them, whatever you want the case to be. So now it looks like this. So that's how that looks. But now you need to render it. So you're going to click Make Movie. Going to go save it to my hard drive. I click MP4. And then you go to Advanced Options. And it's going to bring up your advanced options. Now, you're going to have some templates. So I'm going to turn off my favorites only template, which I have. And you're going to want to pick, I picked the Magic HEVC AAC MP4. And you can choose any of these here. You can choose any of these because you're going to change it. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick one. Let's go with this one right here, 1080p 50fps, sure. And you're going to hit Customize Template. And you're going to come into here and you're going to see all this different stuff. Now you're going to see your frame size. You're going to want to change that to a custom frame size where you're going to, again, flip the width and height. So now you're going to go 1080 by 1920. That's all great. And you're going to change the frame rate to 60 FPS or 59.94. And that's all you need to do. You would hit OK and it would come up. I'm going to hit Cancel. And then your filter will be down here, or your render template. And you can obviously in there change the name. I have mine set as TikTok. So I'm going to go back to my favorites only. So you're going to click TikTok, and then you're going to hit render. You can title it whatever you want. I'm just going to say sample for YouTube. And you're going to hit render, and I will see you guys when it's done rendering for the final result. So I have completely forgotten to show you something, and if you don't want to add captions to your TikToks, then by all means skip this part and go on to the final product part of this video. But if you do, perhaps, so say I wanted to caption this part right here. Get the Lego Star Wars episodes 1 through 6. I'm talking about PlayStation Now, how they have those games on there. So if you want to do that, you're going to go add text and tiles. And it's going to come up like that. It's going to give you that. And so it's going to be actually in the middle of your screen. So what you can do is if you want to change it, I have, again, a template called TikTok where it changes. I have a set font size, and a set location on the screen. So you can change your font here, your font size here. And if you go location, it changes, obviously, the location. You can choose wherever you want. But I'm going to go to my TikTok one, and I'll show you guys exactly so it looks like that. And so let's say I want to say Lego Star Wars. And I can obviously resize it so it fits into the screen. I can drag it around and say, so I'll put it on the screen right here. Sure, like that's good. Sure, we'll go with that. We're gonna hit X here. And so now we're gonna see where I say Lego Star Wars in the clip. So that's where I can hear that's where I'm gonna start it. So I'm gonna take this and drag it to where where I start saying Lego Star Wars. Play it again. That's where I finish it. Now right here, I will split this. I will trim it. I will click S on my keyboard. It's now split. I will delete the second half so that Lego Star Wars is only on the screen while I'm saying it, like so. So that's how you add text, but now let's look at the final product, of course, without the text. So right here, we do have my folder where my videos get saved to. This is actually my YouTube video for yesterday, the Pit Viper. Check it out if you guys haven't. But let's take a look at how this render went. for this TikTok. So that's just an example. That is what that render would look like. That's completely untrimmed. I would obviously trim the clip to the length I want it, so it starts and ends where I want it. But yeah, guys, that is how I edit my TikToks and actually my YouTube shorts. I post them both on YouTube and TikTok. So be sure to check me out on TikTok, of course, in the comments of this video. You're already on the YouTube, so of course you're here. But make sure you guys leave a like and comment on the video. Maybe comment some questions you guys have about editing that I may be able to help with. But also hit subscribe on the channel and that bell so you never miss any of my uploads. And check out me and my amazing team Skirata Gaming in the links in the description of this video for banger Call of Duty content every single day. But other than that, I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and that's been it. Peace.